Did you see that? See that play right there? Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah, well, can you give me some fucking dip?
Do you see what's on right now?
Yeah, dude, just give me some fucking dip.
Do you see what fucking Indian this is?
Get me some fucking dip.
Fuck out the way! Here's your fucking dip.
Thank you.
Fuck you.
So when's the pizza coming?
You know, I don't know. I called that place like 30 minutes ago, so they should be coming.
I don't know. I'm really hungry.
Yeah. Man, I like that number 42.
Right.
He is good.
He's a good player.
Oh, speak of the devil, man. We were just talking about the pizza guy. Be right back. Oh, yeah.
Not the pizza guy.
Someone just ding-dong ditched me, man.
What, dude? It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
I'm starving. Where the hell is this pizza guy?
I don't know, you want some chips?
Fuck you! Wow, did you see that catch?
Yeah, dude, that was...
You see that catch right there? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Starving.
Some chips.
I'd rather have fucking pizza. Oh. Guess he's here. Yeah. Oh
Yes,
yeah. It's better be the pizza guy.
It's not him?
No!
Damn, dude.
And he fucking striked out. I should go in that fucking TV and kick his fucking ass right now.
That's fucking bullshit, dude. That was a ball. That was obviously a ball, dude. This game sucks, man.
You know something? You suck.
Yeah.
You know something? I bet you're the one who's ringing my fucking doorbell. Aren't you?
How in the world is it physically fucking possible for me to be sitting here and pressing the button that triggers the noise to tell you your fucking door has been wronged?
I'll tell you. Fuck you!
Hey, look. Pizza.